So a good question now is like, okay, but what can I create out of quilling? I love the most in quilling that I can customize with very tiny pieces a lot of things like gift cards, paper clips, notes. I can create postcards. I can create also bigger postcards and thematic postcards. And I won't lie here that I think my favorite season of the year at Christmas, this is the best technique to use. We can create patterns that follow a kind of illustration, or we can also create patterns that are rather abstract. They can be very colorful, they can be less colorful, they can be more straight or more curly. They can also just follow the basic patterns of quilling. We can create any kind of symbol once we have the outlines, and we can also create logos. Not even speaking of creating letters and writing out words. So these are a couple of my creations, and for other inspiration just Google or search Pinterest. There are really so beautiful pictures out there. And I hope that after this inspiration you are going to take action.